One tiny, almost imperceptible event in your day could radically alter the course of your life, thanks to chaos theory. It turns out our minds are incredibly sensitive to initial conditions, meaning your entire personality, mental state, and future is affected by minute things. In this simple guide, discover how the butterfly effect impacts your psychology and what you can do about it. Chaos theory isn't about complete randomness. It's about how systems that follow specific laws can still appear unpredictable. Think of it like weather. We know the general laws of physics that govern the atmosphere, but predicting the weather weeks in advance is impossible. That's because even tiny changes in the starting point, the initial conditions, can lead to drastically different outcomes. This sensitivity is sometimes called the butterfly effect. A butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil could, in theory, set off a chain of events that leads to a tornado in Texas. In complex systems, small causes can have large effects. It's not always a proportional relationship. A slight change in your diet or sleep schedule, for instance, could significantly impact your mood and energy levels. These systems are often nonlinear, meaning the output isn't directly proportional to the input. This makes long-term prediction incredibly difficult. Chaos theory uses the idea of attractors to understand behaviors. Imagine a ball rolling around inside a bowl. No matter where you start the ball, it will eventually settle at the bottom. That's the attractor. In complex systems, these attractors can be strange attractors, which are patterns that never exactly repeat, creating fractal-like patterns in phase space. These fractals show self-similarity, meaning you see similar patterns at different scales. So how does this relate to psychology? Human behavior is incredibly complex. Our emotions, thoughts, and actions are influenced by countless factors. Our mental health and emotional states aren't always predictable. Small disturbances or events can trigger significant changes in our mental state. Think about how a single negative comment can ruin your entire day, or how a chance encounter can spark a new relationship. Chaos theory gives us a new perspective to understand these phenomena. It suggests that we should pay attention to the initial conditions and understand the feedback loops that drive our behavior. While computer models and simulations can help us analyze these systems, our understanding is still limited. There are many unanswered questions about how chaos operates within the human mind and body. For example, how do chaotic heart rhythms relate to overall health? How can we better model the evolution of complex social systems? Exploring the potential relationships between determinism and randomness continues to be a fascinating area of scientific research. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos that will help you learn and understand your brain. Hit that notification bell to keep watching amazing videos. Thank you.